Wow.
I'm going.
I'm warming up. I'm recording.
Hey guys, today we'll be playing.
Are we supposed to go?
With my friend Adrian. Adrian, say hey.
Hey yo, Kevin viewers. Now my viewers. Hey viewers. Hey y'all. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be playing soccer status today with my friend Kevin. Say hey, Kevin.
We'll be playing.
Say hey, Kevin. Kevin, you're not saying hey. I don't know if y'all can hear him. He said what's up.
So, are y'all ready?
What are we gonna play?
South Africa.
Alright. So we're gonna be playing South Africa for today.
Yeah. On the next episode, we'll be playing in Russia.
Yeah. And y'all see my coins got up. Oh no. Yeah, my coins went down first, but then my coins got up. So that's
I
good.
got a new team by the way.
Yeah, he got a new team. This is white. I mean yellow. Yellow and black. Black and yellow. Okay, I did not do good in that. Oh, it went right down the middle.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just in case if I'm not talking because I'm eating.
Yeah, his fat stuff eating chips, by the way. And my thirsty stuff is drinking water.
No, oh yeah, give me a little bit. I don't like too much lettuce. No, that much. Hey, you put more water than lettuce. Hey, second goes down to the G20.
Alright. And if y'all do like this video, subscribe.
Oh, you saw that?
No, I did not say it. I was telling my viewers to subscribe. If you do like this video, subscribe.
Comment and give a like to this spot goal.
Okay, it was pretty fun. Alright. And yeah.
For my viewers too. Wait, we ain't done, bro. We ain't done.
I know we ain't done. We're still gonna play some rounds.
First to three.
First to three. Alright, we're doing first to three. I don't know if y'all can hear him. Hopefully y'all can.
Yeah, they can hear you.
Alright, that's good.
I think they can hear you clearly though, cause I can. Oh man, why y'all just get the first goal? This sucks.
Cause I'm funny like that.
Now.
Oh crap. Alright, and that is Snapchat, but y'all ignore Snapchat. I'm gonna put a little sticker over it. So y'all don't gotta worry.
Oh man!
See, but you already get the set. Never mind. There we go. Okay, so it's 1-1. Kevin, who do you think is winning right now?
It's a tie, bro. You just said 1-1. It's a tie.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Who do you think is going to win then?
No, I think me.
Okay, that's a smart choice.
Ain't my team better than Adrian's though?
Nah, because they do only got 3 bubbles. And no one likes 3 bubbles because it's too short.
And everybody likes. Make sure with my bubbles. I have better force than him and better power than him.
Okay, but mine has 7 bubbles, so which is better?
Alright, look at my force. At my spot, right? Now look at the trash force. Pretty nice.
Nah, my picture better. That's what I scored! Hey, 2-1.
Okay. Okay, see how it is. I'm gonna get back like I always do, remember?
Yeah, you always do, but not this time.
Yeah. Because I would have won this game. No, you would have won the first game. First goal. Never mind.
You need to be more smoother.
Hey, Did you know the 2016-17 Real Madrid team was better than the one you have now?
I don't get it.
Like the one from last year, right? They had a team of Real Madrid from last year, right? Trash. The one that was last year.
I cannot hear you. If you're talking right now, I cannot hear you.
I'm not talking.
Oh. That was a fight goal. That was a really fight goal.
It's because I have too much force.
I know. No one likes it when you hit it too hard.
Ooh. Denied. Oh. I'll say.
Oh, this is gonna be a really hard goal. Really? Oh, no, man.
You missed. I'm gonna make it too dramatic. Man, I almost scored it. And I'm about to win this. I told you. I absolutely told you.
Oh, man.
I told you.
Alright, so, hold on, wait. Do we go to penalty now?
No. Okay.
What?
No.
Now we keep going?
We're going to Southampton, remember?
Alright.
That's good. I just like it when you do it like that.
Why?
Never mind. Oh, it's close though.
Yeah, and the same video is going to go on his channel too. It's just probably going to go different music and everything, but it's going to be the same stuff and everything.
I'm sorry, Adrian, you're dumb. Watch this go. Never mind. Man, you gonna score.
Nah, it's pretty hard, bro. Oops.
Okay. Okay, I see how it is. About to score the next one. The Bolts are gonna rock you, Adrian.
Nah, bro.
Wait,
I
who won
believe.
who won the last time?
It's 2-2.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
On the last time? No. I'm talking about like on the last video.
Oh, the last video, I won.
On before that one?
I don't remember.
Oh.
Like, it was a really long time ago, bro. Like, it was like 3 days ago.
Oh. That's really long.
Yeah, really long.
I like long things. Y'all need to stop being negative and mind on my channel. Go make a channel.